Well, when we interpret the Bible, we must understand a number of things, a number of factors, so that we can interpret the Bible according to how the Holy Spirit wants it to be interpreted. We will not have problems with all these kind of misconceptions, misinterpretations. We won't have these problems. First and foremost, we must understand that we need the Holy Spirit to help us interpret the Bible. Because the Bible was written by the Holy Spirit. The Bible was written by the Holy Spirit. The author of a book can best tell us the meaning, can best tell us the content, and even the context, the author of a book. So the author of the Bible is the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is God. I can hear some people address the Holy Spirit using the word it. That kind of pronoun is not suitable because the Holy Spirit is a person. He is God. Therefore, He is, not it is. And we must address Him accordingly. And we must understand that He is the author of the Bible. And He only used human beings as vessels to this particular writings. They are vessels, but He is the author. Therefore, the best way to understand the Bible and to interpret it according to the will of God is to make sure that we have the Holy Spirit, that we have the Holy Spirit indwelling us, because He's the only one who can help us. If not, there are going to be several or many kinds of interpretations, and many of these are going to have the hand of the devil in them. Therefore, there will be misleading interpretations. And we must ask ourselves questions when we read the Old Testament, knowing that the Old Testament is actually concealed without the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is the one who is going to reveal or who reveals the Old Testament. That's why the Old Testament is revealed in the New Testament. That means that when we read the Old Testament without the Holy Spirit, without understanding the essence of the Spirit, we are going to read it blindly and we can mislead people of God. There's going to be a veil when we read the Old Testament without involving the Holy Spirit Himself.